Hi guys, would you like to make your VMware operation simpler? Have you tried generative AI and constantly hallucinate and create code that doesn't work? This book is your answer. I'm Luca Berton. I spent my last 5 years working with Ansible and creating resources about it. I taught 15,000 students and counting, and this is one of my best sellers. In this book, there is all my knowledge about Ansible and VMware. Specifically, we start with the basic, having what is Ansible, what is a simple inventory, what we can create like INI and YAML inventory, and how we can generate dynamically an inventory based on your current VMware situation. You can list the current virtual machine that are in your system and target all of them for some compliance or ordinary job. We start with a playbook, variables, fact and magic variable, vault, how to store information, sensitive information in a secure way encrypted with AES. Conditional loop, what are the handler, special function that execute only when there is a change in your infrastructure. How to leverage code reuse with a role, collection, and take advantage of Ansible Galaxy. Specifically for VMware, we are talking about how to create a virtual environment and do the troubleshooting of the most common problem with some Python library or some underneath connection issues. Once a connection is established, we can create a virtual machine from scratch, from a template. We can verify the power state, on, off, the state of VMware tools, how to create another new hard drive, for example, how to gather information about the virtual machine UUID, so we can, for example, target a snapshot, remove a snapshot, and this stuff we can do backup and maintenance every day, overnight, and Ansible can orchestrate this type of operations. And especially for compliance, this is very interesting because you can showcase proof and log for auditing purposes. And what else? Okay, of course, managing data store, get the file list, uploading document, and the best part, live migration of virtual machine using vMotion. And all this book, the code is tested, is battle-proofed, and you can find it in the companion GitHub repository. So I'm pretty excited. Get this book today, and you won't be disappointed. Thank you very much, and let's automate more. Bye.